In this video, I'll show you how to change the controller's IP address. Let's start off by ensuring the Ethernet cable is connected to the DXM controller before power is applied. If the cable is not connected when power is applied, the controller will not recognize the Ethernet connection. To change the IP address, scroll down to System Config, press Enter. Then scroll down to Ethernet, press Enter again. By default, DHCP is on. Therefore, an IP address will automatically be assigned to the controller that will allow it to connect to the network, provided your network infrastructure allows for it. If not, turn off DHCP and set the IP address manually. You will get this message. Press Enter to confirm you are turning DHCP off. When the system reboots, scroll down to System Config, press Enter. Then scroll down to Ethernet, press Enter again. Scroll down to IP address and press Enter. By holding down the up button, you can quickly advance to the desired address. Press Enter to increment to the next address, or octet. Repeat the process until finished. When finished, you will get this message. Press Enter again to restart the controller. Otherwise, press the back button to make further changes or return to the home screen. Lastly, out of the box, the DXM controller is set up to be a protocol conversion tool. By default, the controller is set up to communicate to an Ethernet IP device, meaning after our EDS file is downloaded and the PLC's address is changed, the user will instantly be able to read and write data to and from the DXM controller. Okay, that does it. Thanks for watching.